Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to print the odd numbers by using while loop in Java. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a normal Java main function. So first we will be getting the number n from the user, okay, which is going to be till what number we will be printing the odd numbers. So for that we will be getting number from the user. For that we will be using the scanner class. So just go to the top and here we'll be importing scanner. So it's going to be import java dot util dot, rather than going for asterisk you can go for scanner. That's good, capital S, okay, and come inside the main function. It's going to be capital S scanner. I will just have a variable as input equal to new scanner, in bracket it's going to be system dot in. All right, and next line we'll be just having a variable int n equal to input dot, we'll be using the next int, okay, because we are going to get an integer value. All right, and next line we'll be having our while loop, and within that while loop we'll be having a simple if condition to check whether that number is even or odd. So if that particular number is even, we will be not printing it, and if the number is odd, we'll be printing it. That's it. So it's going to be while, and inside the while loop here we will be using a new variable I, and the condition is going to be I less than or equal to n. Okay, so I'll just have a variable, because this is a variable that we will be printing if it is odd. So let me have it as int I equal to 1. This is like the initial value of that variable, and as I told you, the condition is going to be I less than equal to n, because we need to like include n also, that particular value. And inside the while loop, as I told you, we will be having a if condition, if I mod 2 not equal to 0, because if I mod 2, modulus operator basically gives the remainder. If I is 4, 4 mod 2 will obviously give us 0, which is even number. So even numbers modulus of 2 will be equal to 0. So if it's an odd number, modulus will be 1. So that's the thing. Or else you can just have I mod equal to 1 also. That's your choice. I will just leave this as the normal case. Yeah. And if it is, we'll be just printing that I value. So it's going to be system.out.print, and we will be just printing the value I. All right, that's it. And we need to also increment the I value, because I value starts at 1, and if you don't increment I value, how will we be able to like find the numbers from I to n? So that just in the last line outside the if condition we'll be just having I plus plus. So let me explain you now what happens here. So initially our I value is going to be 1. It comes here 1 less than n. Let's suppose say that our n value is equal to 10. So it comes here I less than n, 1 is less than 10. Then 1 modulus of 2 not equal to 0, which is true, which is 1. So this is condition is true. Then 1 gets printed. Then I value gets incremented. I is now true. So it goes, this condition is true because 2 less than 10. 2 mod 2 is equal to 0. So this condition becomes false. No printed, 2 is not printed. So then I plus plus, I value becomes 3. And it comes here, this condition is true, not equal to 0. 3 gets printed, I plus plus 4, and which is 0. So this like goes on a cycle. And at the end, if I value becomes just 10, and next iteration it will go to 11, which is false. So the while loop condition breaks over here. So this is how it works, guys. So let me just now save and run it and show you. So I'll just go Java C to compile. Yeah, no errors. Java to run the program, and I'll just give the input value as 20, I guess 20 or 15. 15 is fine. Yeah. But hit enter. So here you can see, right, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. I'm getting only the odd numbers printed over here. So this is how you do it, guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MySQL, MongoDB, CRUD operations. So check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.